If your child recently had surgery to have their tonsils removed, or you may prepare them for a tonsillectomy surgery very soon, there are a few tips that I would like to go over so that can help with a smooth recovery from the tonsillectomy surgery. Now, after the surgery, it is normal and to be expected that your child will have sore throat and some pain with swallowing, and that will typically last from 7 to 10 days. So during that time, we do want to keep them comfortable, but also at the same time, we do not want to over-medicate with narcotic medication. For younger age children, typically, over-the-counter Tylenol and Motrin is sufficient to keep them comfortable. Also, that your doctor may prescribe medications to help with pain management. It's important to follow your surgeon's specific instruction, and that can keep your child comfortable after the tonsillectomy surgery. Hydration is probably the most important thing after the surgery, even though they may not like to drink after the surgery, but you want to really encourage your child to drink fluid, water, juice, cool drinks. Those are all good things for them to have to keep their body hydrated. In terms of food after the surgery, it's important to give them soft food. You definitely want to avoid food with crust or hard surface, and that will avoid causing further discomfort. There are some complications that you want to watch out. One will be bleeding issues. If you see some very mild bleeding from their nose or from their throat, it probably is normal. But if you see bright red blood or large blood clots, then you should contact your doctor's office immediately, and those may require additional treatment if that happens. In terms of activity after the surgery, you do want to keep them avoid from doing sports or strenuous activity. So resting is helpful after the surgery. So with fluid hydration, with resting, with your care, overall your child will do well after tonsillectomy surgery. But if you have any concerns during the recovery time, you should feel free to contact your doctor's office.